NOKIA N80 disassembly. Be sure to be connected to the earth connection box and your ESD wristband. You will need the following tools: straight metal tweezers, a Torx Plus driver size 6, a dental pick, an SS93, a flat-bladed screwdriver, an SS45 camera removal tool, an SRT6, an SS51 camera removal tool, and a DC plug. Cover the window with protective film. Also cover the camera window with protective film. Unlock and remove the seat cover. Push open the slide assembly. Unscrew the 2 screws shown in the following order. And remove them with tweezers. The A cover is removed after unlocking all the concealed snaps with the SRT6. Remove the key mat S60. Cover the LCD K2 with protective film. Unscrew the 2 screws shown in the following order and remove them with tweezers. Remove the UI keymat PWB S60 assembly. Carefully open the LCD K2 connector with the SRT6. Unlock the snaps on both sides of the LCD K2 with the SS93. And separate it from the slide assembly. Unscrew the 2 screws shown in the following order. And remove them with tweezers. Remove the UI support. Push out the earpiece with the Torx driver. Move the slide assembly over as shown. Use the SS51 to remove the camera module, being careful when releasing the snap not to use too much force. Lift up one side of the 1MJ UI PWB assembly with the SRT6. Move the 1MJ UI PWB assembly towards the side just released to release the second snap. Hold the 1MJ UI PWB assembly in position. Open the Flex I Con module connector with the SRT6. Note the beveled corner of the Flex I Con module connector to ensure the correct reassembly. And remove the 1MJ UI PWB assembly. Move the slide assembly into the position shown. Release the snaps around the keymat bezel with the SRT6. Note the angle and the position of the SRT6 when releasing the snaps. Turn the phone over and the keymat drops out easily. Close the slide assembly until the 4 screw heads are visible through the holes in the UI frame assembly. Unscrew the 6 screws in the order shown. Remove the screws shown and discard them. Move the slide assembly over the B-cover assembly till the 4 screw heads are accessible with tweezers and can be removed. All of these screws must be discarded. Move the slide assembly over the B-cover assembly as shown. Then lift the slide assembly vertically away from the B-cover assembly. Separate the UI frame assembly from the engine shield assembly. Open the Flex Eye Con module connector with the SRT6. Be careful not to damage the connector or the surrounding components. Lift up the engine module at the upper side with the SRT6 and remove it. Remove the vibra with tweezers. Unlock the DC jack with the DC plug and remove it with tweezers. Lift up the microphone with a dental pick. And remove it with tweezers. Use the Torx driver as a fulcrum and loosen the C-cover catch spring with the flat-bladed screwdriver. Remove the C-cover catch spring with tweezers. Turn the B-cover assembly over and the C-cover catch drops out easily. Push out the camera key with the SRT6. Release the snap of the battery base assembly with the dental pick. Remove the battery base assembly. Lever out the IHF speaker with a flat-bladed screwdriver. Turn the B-cover assembly over and the IHF speaker drops out easily. Remove the Bluetooth antenna with tweezers. Remove the SD card door. Note the 2 snaps on the left and right sides of the antenna assembly. Release the left snap with the SRT6. Lift up the left side of the antenna assembly with the SS93 and hold it in position with your finger. Lift up the right side of the antenna assembly with the SS93 and remove it. Turn the antenna assembly over and press out the flash lead with the SS93. To release the clips of the 3MP camera, use just one of the metal ends of the SS45, one side at a time. After releasing, remove the 3MP camera from its connector. The disassembly procedure is now complete.